Hi everyone, once again welcome back to our class. Now we are going to discuss about the 13th topic, thermodynamics, short answer questions used for IPE, TS and AP. Last class we were discussing about the relation between CP and CV and R, and also the thermodynamic first law of the thermodynamics and etc. That class compare of the isothermal process and adiabatic process. These questions are here very important in IPE, TS and AP. Now we are going to discuss about the some equations, the work done by the gas during the isothermal process, during the adiabatic process. These two equations here very important in IPE for use for and also NEET JEE mains also. Okay, MCET. ఇక్కడ చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే మనకు the work done by the ideal gas during the isothermal process, during the adiabatic process. These two questions now present use for IPE, TS and AP 4 mark questions, short answers. Okay, చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి, సింపుల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. ఓకే, లిజన్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ హియర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 4, షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్, 13th topic, thermodynamics. Okay, now obtain an expression for the work done by an ideal gas during isothermal process. So the isothermal process means, first of all, statement of the isothermal process. The isothermal process is defined as simply the process in which the temperature always remains constant throughout the process is called as here simply isothermal process. In this process here temperature is constant. This process obeys the Boyle's law. That means here PV is equal to constant holds good. Okay, now here very simple explanation చేస్తారండి. First of all, with diagram, this for example cylinder, this one here cylinder. Okay, the cylinder contains 1 mole of gas, ideal gas, 1 mole of ideal gas. ఇక్కడ ఈ సిలిండర్ అనేది ఒక 1 mole of ideal gas ఉంది. సో 1 mole which gas here, ideal gas. Okay, ideal gas. So the pressure of the ideal gas here P, temperature of the ideal gas here T, volume of the initial volume of the here V1, initial volume. V1 means here initial volume. So this is a 1 mole of gas with arranged with piston, frictionless here piston. This is a frictionless piston. Okay, piston. This area of the cross section of piston, Now this ideal gas, some amount of heat energy is supplied to this ideal gas, then this gas is expanded. So here heat energy supplied to the system at constant temperature అంటే టెంపరేచర్ కాన్స్టాంట్ ఉన్నట్టు ఇక్కడ వేస్తే then the volume is increased from V1 to, for example, V2. The volume is increased from here V1 to V2. Now the work done by the system of the gas. Now we find out the equation of the work done by the system. Okay, this one here answer isothermal process statement. First of all, statement, listen. The process in which, answer here, the process in which okay, the temperature always remains constant throughout the process is known as here isothermal process, isothermal process. Okay, is known as a isothermal process. Next point, in this process here, in this process In this process, Boyle's law obeys the Boyle's law. Here obeys the Boyle's law. In this process, the Boyle's law PV is equal to K. Here PV is equal to K, nothing but here constant. Okay, holds good. Okay, holds good. This is a holds good. Next point, in this process, that means in isothermal process, the Boyle's law holds good. That means the Boyle's law PV is equal to constant. PV is equal to constant. Now here let us consider 1 mole of gas contained in a cylinder arranged with the frictionless piston. Okay, this is the, now here work done during the during isothermal process. Okay, isothermal process. Now some step koddiya information raddam. Let us consider here, let us consider here, let us consider a 1 mole of ideal gas contained in a cylinder arranged with frictionless here frictionless రాయండి సరిపోద్ది, frictionless piston. Okay, frictionless piston. Then now frictionless piston, then the volume of the changes from here, let here piston frictionless piston, then current point piston, let dV, here dV nothing but change in volume dV. Okay, dV be the change in volume of the ideal gas, change in volume of the ideal gas. Okay, gas. Then here the work done, can be written as here, as here dW is equal to here PdV. dW is equal to here PdV. This is the equation 1. This one here equation 1. ఇక్కడ చెప్పిందే ఇక్కడ రాశా, ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే చెప్పిందో అదే ఇక్కడ రాశా. ఓకే, వన్స్ అగైన్ ఇక్కడికి స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇక్కడ రాస్తుంటాం. here during work done isothermal process, here let us consider 1 mole of an ideal gas contained in a cylinder arranged with the frictionless piston. Let dV be the change in volume of the ideal gas. Then the work done can be written as dW is equal to PdV. dW is equal to PdV. Okay, note this one first of all. Next, okay, now equation, very simple equation. When the volume change from V1 to here V1 to V2, simply equation 1 PdV dW is equal to here d small here equation 1 dW is equal to PdV. Okay, PdV, this is the equation 1. This one here equation 1. When the small change of the volume, when the small change of volume of the volume of the gas, ideal gas, small change volume from here V1 to, for example, V1 to here V2, then the work done, okay, the work done will be here with integration from initial position to final position. So upper limit here V1, lower limit here V1, upper limit here V2. So then here we can write the work done will be simply dW is equal to integrate W is equal to here సరే ఓకే. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏంటంటే ఒక ఫార్ములా వద్దాం. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ dW here V1 to V2. Now ఇక్కడ the volume changes from V1 to V2, but here according to Boyle's law, ఇక్కడ రాయండి ఇది. This is a equation, for example equation okay, this equation from equation 2 from here, from equation 192, here dW is equal to PdV, so equation 1 substituting in equation 2. Now from 192, so W is equal to integral here V1 to V2, up lower limit V1, here upper limit V2. So dW is equal to PdV. dW is equal to here PdV. This is a equation, for example 3. This one here equation 3. But the ideal gas equation. The ideal gas equation. The ideal gas equation here PV is equal to nu RT. Here mu is equal to 1 mole of the gas. Now here P is equal to simply mu RT by V. T. Here mu is equal to 1 mole. Okay, 1 mole of gas. So here P is equal to simply RT by V. This is a RT by V. This equation, for example, here 4. Okay, this equation here, for example 4. Now P is equal to RT by V. So the P values here substituting in equation 3, equation 4 substituting in equation 3 అంటే 4వ సమీకరణాన్ని 3లో ప్రతిక్షేపించగా. Now here know this one first of all. P is equal to, from here know this one. Okay, now from equation 3 and 4, from equation 3 and 4 here, from equations 3 and 4, W is equal to integral V1 to here V2, P is equal to RT by V into here remaining dV. Here T is a constant, temperature is a constant, here ideal gas constant is a constant. So simplifies W is equal to RT integral V1 to V2. Remaining terms here 1 by V dV. Here formula, see here integral 1 by x dx is equal to log x. This is a formula, integral formula. So this is that formula compared to this formula, this equation compared to this formula. Now simplifies work done is equal to RT integral lower limit. Okay. Finally this is that formula log of here, log nothing but ln here v upper limit v2 and lower limit here v1, ln v upper limit v2 here lower limit v1. Now this is a work done, w is equal to work done is equal to here rt. Now upper limit minus lower limit, so upper limit means ln v2 minus here ln v1 simplies p is equal to rt or ln v2 by v1, ln v2 by v1. Now here but ln is equal to 2.303 log, here ln is values here 2.303 log, okay, ln means here 2.303 log. So here this is this one here substituting. Now work done by the gas during isothermal process, w is equal to simply rt, okay, simply rt here log, sorry values rasuna, this values ln means here 2.303 rt log here v2 by v1, this is this one the work done by the ideal gas during isothermal process, work done by the ideal gas during the isothermal process. This is a 2.303 rt log v2 by v1. The v2 means final value of the gas, here v1 means initial value of the gas. So here r means constant, t is a temperature, here temperature is also constant. So this is expressed here, this one here expressed this equation, this equation, okay, this equation expression for work done by the here by the ideal gas during isothermal process. Now if the gas contains mu moles, అంటే ఆదర్శ వాయువు అనేది నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ కలిగి ఉన్నట్టయితే అప్పుడు ఆ ఫార్ములా ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే, ఇఫ్ ఇక్కడ రండి, ఇక్కడ వరకు ఎనఫ్ మనకి w is work done by the ideal gas during the isothermal process, w is equal to 2.303 rt log v2 by v1. Now if here the gas nothing but ideal gas, the ideal gas contained here number of mu moles, here mu moles, okay, mu moles, then the equation written as now, then work done is equal to here 2.303 mu rt log of here v2 by v1, log of v2 by v1. This is the number of moles, this one here number of mu moles, here this one here only 1 mole of gas, This is the equation of the work done by the ideal gas during the isothermal process, okay. Next, the obtained expression for the ideal gas during the adiabatic process, this question one here, question fourth question, next fifth question same question, ఇక్కడ ఒక టర్మ్స్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి, ఏం టర్మ్ అంటారు ఇక్కడ adiabatic process, okay, okay. Note this one first of all, same process, okay. Now here the obtained expression for the work done by the gas during adiabatic process, okay. Now same equation, some different equation వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి. question number 5th here, question number 5th, obtain expression for the for the an ideal gas, an ideal for the an ideal gas expression for work done, sorry, expression for the work done, expression for the work done by an ideal gas during adiabatic process, adiabatic process, okay, adiabatic process. This one question number 5th, this one question number 5th, short answers only, important question, very simple equation. Now what is the adiabatic process? How to define the adiabatic process? Adiabatic process అంటే ఏంది, దాన్ని ఎలా నిర్వచిస్తాం? ఓకే, వెరీ సింపుల్. The adiabatic process is defined as very simple. The process in which there is no transfer of heat energy. That means here the energy will not transfer in between system and its surroundings. Very simple. Okay. Now statement here. Know this one first of all. Here once again same expression here. This one contains cylinder. This one here cylinder. This cylinder contains here 1 mole of gas. This contains here 1 mole of gas. Okay, 1 mole of gas. Now the amount of heat is, for example, this one here dq. Just say this energy substitute apply to this system. For example, the piston here, this is one here piston, this is a piston. Okay, piston. Pressure here P, temperature T, and volume V. So the volume changes from the volume changes from V1 to here V2. Here T is also changes. T is constant. Now T also changes. P is also changes. First of all, statement, adiabatic process statement. The process in which there will not be any transfer of heat energy. There will be not transfer of heat energy in between system and its surroundings. System and its surroundings. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే this is a system. This one here system. Okay, system nothing but here this is a system. 1 mole of gas is a system. Here this one here this is a surroundings. అంటే the outside of the place. This one here surroundings. So there is no transfer of heat energy in between system and your surroundings. System, this is S means S1 means system. For example, ST is a surroundings. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే the dq is constant. That means dq is equal to 0. There is no change of the internal energy, heat energy of the system inside of the cylinder. అంటే ఇక్కడ దీనికి సప్లై చేసినటువంటి హీట్ ఎనర్జీ, లోపల ఉన్నటువంటి హీట్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఈ సిస్టమ్ నుంచి బయటికి కానీ బయట నుంచి లోపలికి కానీ ఎలాంటి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అనేది జరగదు. ఇదే మనకి adiabatic ప్రాసెస్. ఓకే, నౌ స్టేట్మెంట్ హియర్ వెరీ సింపుల్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఓకే, నౌ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఇన్ విచ్ there will not be any transfer of heat energy in between system and its surroundings throughout the process is known as here simply adiabatic process. Okay, statement raskondi. This is a question number 5th. Okay, now the process in which question number 5 your answer. Okay, the process in which okay there will not be transfer of heat energy, transfer of heat energy in between system and its surroundings. It's here surroundings. Okay, surroundings throughout the process. Its surroundings throughout the process is known as here simply adiabatic okay, adiabatic process. In this process entropy is constant. In this process the entropy is constant and PV power of gamma is equal to constant holds good. Okay, point wise raskondi. Now in this process entropy is remains constant. Okay, constant okay, remains constant and PV power of here PV power of gamma is equal to here constant here holds good. Okay, this is a next point. Now let us consider 1 mole of ideal gas contained in a cylinder arranged with the frictionless piston. Let the volume, the small change of the volume, then the work done by the gas can be written as simply ఇదే మ్యాటర్ రాస్తున్నా చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ వర్క్ డన్ heading here, work done during adiabatic process. Okay, adiabatic process. Now కొద్దిగా సమ్ తీరు రాస్తున్నా చూడండి. let us consider here, let us consider a 1 mole of here 1 mole of an ideal gas contained in a cylinder. Okay, cylinder arranged with frictionless piston. Okay, frictionless piston ఇక్కడ రాయండి. let here dv be the small change of volume of the small change of volume of the ideal gas then work done. Okay, work done can be written as here a formula dW is equal to here PdV. This is our equation. Okay, now once again process ఇక్కడ ఏం రాసిందంటే work done during the isothermal adiabatic process. Let us consider a 1 mole of ideal gas contained in a cylinder arranged with frictionless piston. ఇక్కడ వరకు let dV nothing but change in volume, dV be the small change of volume of the ideal gas, then the work done can be written as dW is equal to PdV. Now note this one first of all. Okay, statement once again, statement here the process in which there will not be any transfer of heat energy in between system and its surroundings throughout the process is known as simply adiabatic process. In this adiabatic process the entropy is a constant, PV power of gamma is equal to constant. That is the next the equation here. Now note this one first of all. When the volume changed from V1 to V2, then the work done will integrating lower limit to the volume of the lower limit to the volume of upper limit. Okay, very simple equation. కొద్దిగా జాగ్రత్త వినండి. ఇక్కడ బైపీసీ వాళ్ళు కేర్ఫుల్గా బైపీసీ వాళ్ళు ఈక్వేషన్ పార్ట్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి కొద్దిగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. నౌ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫర్ ఇయర్ dW is equal to PdV. This is the equation 1. This one here, equation 1. Okay, next here, when the volume of gas nothing but ideal gas changed from here V1 to V2, then the work done will be integrating lower limit to here upper limit. Here lower limit means V1, upper limit means V2. So then will be W is equal to here integral V1 to here V2 PdV. Okay, lower limit V1, here upper limit V2. But according to adiabatic process here, now from adiabatic process, adiabatic equation here, adiabatic equation PV power of gamma is equal to here constant. PV power of gamma is equal to constant. Now here P is equal to K by V power of gamma. Now this one P is equal to here K V power of minus gamma. Ikkada P V power of gamma is equal to K. P is equal to K by V power of gamma. Here P is equal to V power of minus gamma. ఇక్కడ ఏమైతే డినామినేటర్ న్యూమరేటర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ కాస్త మైనస్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ అ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈక్వేషన్. సో P is equal to ఏం రాయాలి మనకి, P K V power of gamma. ఓకే, నౌ ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నా సింప్లైస్ దట్ వన్ హియర్ P is equal to K V power of minus gamma. This is a equation 2. This one is equation from equations here 192. From equation 192, sir, W is equal to integration V1 to V2. Here P values here K V power of gamma and dV. Now K is a constant. Here K is a constant. Simplies here W is equal to W, work done by the ideal gas during adiabatic process. W is equal to K is constant. Integral V1 to here V2 V power of gamma here dV. Here one formula ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నా, integration x power of n dx is equal to ఏం రాస్తున్నట్టు ఇక ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే x power of n plus 1 by here x power of plus 1. దీన్ని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేసినట్టయితే ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములా చూడండి, దిస్ ఇస్ a ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫార్ములా. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ x power of n, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ here x power of n dx is equal to x power of n plus 1 by x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is a formula. So this formula compared to this formula, so same formula. So here x is equal to here v, here n is equal to minus gamma, So simply work done W is equal to integrate K this one here x here same minus gamma plus 1 by here minus gamma plus 1. Okay, upper limit here V2, lower limit here V1, upper limit V2 and lower limit V1. Now upper limit minus lower limit minus here lower limit, work done is equal to inside multiplication K here V power of V2 upper limit minus V upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, minus gamma plus 1 by minus gamma plus 1, that means here minus 1 minus gamma. This is a equation 1. equation చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. W is equal to K into V2 power of minus gamma plus 1 minus V1 power of minus gamma plus 1 by 1 minus gamma. Now this is K is multiplication inside, simplies here W is equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma is equal to here K V2 gamma plus 1 minus gamma plus 1 minus this one here V1 power of minus gamma plus 1. Okay, this is a 1. Note this one first of all. ఇక్కడికి రాయండి. W is equal to this equation వచ్చింది, బట్ ఫ్రమ్ adiabatic equation P v power of gamma is equal to constant, so P is equal to something values, this value is here, P is value substituting, after we will get here, finally W is equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma into K V2 minus gamma plus 1 minus V1 power of minus gamma plus 1. So note this one. Next one here next. Now in adiabatic process, here very simple equation. కొద్దిగా బైపీసీ పిల్లలు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి కొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ. మ్యాథ్స్ వాళ్ళు అంటే ఈక్వేషన్స్ వస్తాయి కాబట్టి మ్యాథ్స్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి. నౌ హియర్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ హియర్ W is equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma K V2 minus gamma plus 1 minus here minus ఇక్కడ ఓకే ఇక్కడ K రాయలే K V1 minus gamma plus 1. Now from equation here, adiabatic equation, adiabatic equation P v power of gamma is equal to K. Now here P1 V1 gamma is equal to P2 V2 gamma is equal to here K. So here K values here once P1 P V1 power of gamma and K is equal to once in second next P2 V2 power of gamma. So this K values here substituting in this equation. This K values substituting above equation. Okay, this K values substituting above equation. Now after here W is equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma K values here V2 minus V2 power of gamma P2. Okay, here P2 V2 okay power of gamma, here remaining word V2 minus gamma plus 1 here minus okay. K values here V1, so V1 is substituted. K is equal to P1 V1 power of gamma P1 V1 power of gamma, here remaining terms V1 minus gamma plus 1. Okay, minus gamma plus 1. Now here V2 power of gamma V2 minus power of gamma, here these base are same, so powers are adding, so here plus this one minus, so this is cancel, once cancel. Here also this plus this one here minus, okay, cancel. Now simplifies W is equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma into remaining terms V2 P2 remaining here V2 V power of minus only 1 V power of plus 1, so V power of plus 1, that means here just V2 here remaining P1 same terms, this is a సరొక టర్మ్స్ రాస్తుంది ఇక్కడ చూడండి డైరెక్ట్ కాకుండా. here 1 by gamma minus okay P1 V power of 1 plus 2 ఉంది కదా, P1 V1 gamma. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఒక స్టెప్ రాసేసిన రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్స్ ఉంది కదా, మీన్ ఇక్కడ 1 ఇక్కడ 1, సో V power of 1 V2 power of 1, సో V2 power of 1 V1 power of 1. సో అదే ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది, ఈ పవర్స్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తే సమ్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి. ఓకే, this is the work done by the ideal gas during the adiabatic process. Now ideal gas equation from here, ideal gas equation. Okay, note this one, ideal gas equation. Here from ideal gas equation here PV is equal to mu RT. PV is equal to here mu RT. Here P1 V1 is equal to mu R T1. Mu is constant, number of moles is a constant. ideal gas constant is a constant, and P2 V2 is equal to mu or T2. Okay, this is the equation. From ideal gas equation, PV is equal to mu or T, P1 V1 is equal to mu or T1, P2 V2 is equal to mu or T2. Now here P1 V1 and P2 V2, these values here, these two values here substituting here. So these values substituting in this equation. Now simplifies the work done by the ideal gas during the adiabatic process is equal to 1 by 1 minus gamma. P2 V2 is equal to mu or T2 minus P1 V1 is equal to mu or T1. Here mu or T1. Okay, mu or constant. So these are taken common. Mu is equal to mu or by 1 minus gamma. Remaining terms here T2 minus here T1. T2 minus T1. This is expressed. This is a expression for the work done by the ideal gas during the adiabatic process. Here once again W is equal to mu or by 1 minus gamma into under V2 minus T2 minus T1, or here the work done by the ideal gas during the adiabatic process, W is equal to 1 by gamma 1 minus gamma into P2 V2 minus P1 V2. This equation used for the some equations calculating or numerical problems, for using from numerical problems in thermodynamics. So for using NEET and JEE mains, MCET etc. Okay, ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ మనకి JEE మెయిన్స్లో కానీ నీట్లో కానీ ఎంసెట్లో కానీ అదర్వైజ్ ఇంకా వేరే కాంపిటీషన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో కానీ ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ అయితే ఒకసారి చూడండి. వన్స్ అగైన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఐడియల్ గ్యాస్ ఈక్వేషన్, adiabatic process. What is the adiabatic process? Okay, what is defined in the adiabatic process? So once again, the process in which there will not be any transfer of heat energy in between system and its surroundings throughout entire process is called as here adiabatic process. In this adiabatic process, entropy is a constant. Now PV power of gamma is equal to constant. What's good? The heat energy is constant in this process. The specific heat, the molar specific heat, C is equal to 0. The adiabatic process is quick process. Okay, this formula. Next, in this process the temperature does not constant. ఎక్సెట్రా ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ చాలా పాయింట్స్ ఉంటాయి. సరిపోతే ఇది మనకి కావాల్సినటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. సో ఫైనల్లీ ద వర్క్ డన్ బై ద ఐడియల్ గ్యాస్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద ఐసోథర్మల్ adiabatic process, W is equal to mu or by 1 minus gamma into T2 minus T1, or W is equal to 1 by gamma into here P2 V2 minus P1 V1. This is the equation for the adiabatic process. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ రూపంలో కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.